So are you someone who follows Gary Vee and hears this advice all the time?
What has happened in social over the last couple of years, 2 of the 15-year journey of social, is profoundly important to everyone here. I have been giving this talk in a variation because I so believed in this movement basically since 2007. That is 17 years of this. In the first 15 years of me giving this talk to these kind of events, so YouTube Shorts is a monster. So Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts. I'm obsessed with LinkedIn.
Right, then back to the original. How much time?
As much as humanly possible.
Okay.
Well, one of the things that happens when you post that much on social media, especially if you do it well, is that inevitably creates a bunch of comments, a bunch of engagement, and a bunch of demand for even more content. So if you're a person who listens to Gary Vee and you think he has great advice, but maybe you're like, okay, there might be a better way to actually manage being that omnipresent on social media, then look no further. On this channel, we are doing the 25 days of Funnelmas. Now, whether or not you celebrate Christmas, you may as well get the benefits from it. And in this video, I am going to show you how you could actually be managing all of your social media engagement in one place where it's as easy as shifting from tab to tab on your computer through like Google Chrome. And in addition to that, you don't actually have to log into social media to manage all of the engagement that you are getting. Without further ado, let's hop in my computer and check out what I'm talking about. All right, so as you can see, we are in my Metricool account, and just so you know, there is a free account that you can create with Metricool where you get 50 free posts a month, and ultimately it's a great way to get started. But for Funnelmas, I wanted to highlight one of the key features of this platform that I think it's a little underlooked, because one of the things you can 100% do on this platform is post simultaneously, say on Instagram and on TikTok and on YouTube, all at the same time, and have individual comments for each of those posts. Like you could have a different comment on the Instagram post versus the YouTube post. For one of the other 25 days of Funnelmas, I actually went over that demonstration. But for this demonstration, we're going to talk about what happens after you post and somebody actually engages with your post, because they are expecting you maybe to at least acknowledge the fact that they commented on your channel. Now, I will say these comments are old because I did manage these comments in YouTube itself, and I have not actually I haven't started posting on my TikTok account yet. But this is a way to actually audit and respond and manage all of your comments and engagement that you get on all of your posts in one convenient location. Interesting. So I did find a comment that this person actually did respond to. So he said, "Can I ask a question?" I said, "Ask away." And then he did respond, but he put 2 ats. So I never got this notification. So this is perfect. I can actually respond to this. I'm a little late, but ultimately, if you do he tagged me wrong, so I didn't actually get this notification. I live in California, and smile. And simply by clicking send, I'm actually able to respond to this comment. Now, hopefully he actually gets the notification. Unfortunately, like I said, if you have a typo like this, then somebody's not going to get the notification. But simply from coming in here and reading this comment, I was able to respond. And this goes for every single one of your comments or all of the engagement that you get on all of your posts. Like I said, with YouTube, I tend to manage the comments within YouTube itself. That's where I'm predominantly focused right now. However, like I said, I'm looking to expand to TikTok and more to Instagram Reels. Like I said, there's a big gap between Gary Vee's advice and actually executing Gary Vee's demands. So if you are a person also trying to live up to Gary Vee's expectations of being an omnipresent brand with content creation, then you really don't want to miss out on using Metricool. Not only do you not have to log into social media to actually manage your social media or your content, but you don't have to log into the individual platforms to plan and pre-schedule all of your posts. So happy Funnelmas. I hope this has helped, and I can't wait to see how you guys do with using Metricool. Like I said, sign up for a free account. You get 50 free posts to test it out, and the link is down in the description. I do get a small commission for sending you there, or at least I get credit for it. But I will say that since it's the season of giving, hopefully that's okay with you. And also, since I know the value because I've used this myself, I think that it is a fair trade because you will get as much value using it as I have gotten using it. And that's why I'm sharing this with you. So happy Funnelmas, and I'll see you on the other side of the endless content creation that Gary Vee demands of us all. See you in the next one. Thanks for tuning into Business Fundamentals with me, the Business Cowgirl. And if you want more free, awesome content just like this to help your business grow and develop online from a seasoned expert in business technical architecture. But if you really want your business to grow, then I highly recommend you check out my weekly newsletter, Winning Business, from somebody who's been a business consultant for the last 10 years, helping businesses create efficient and effective workflows to help their businesses save them time, money, and resources. What does that really mean? It means the answer to the question of what you need to build for where your business is trying to go. So when you're ready, those links are always down in all my video descriptions for you. So to be continued.